If you have issues with snoring at night time, then it certainly is worthwhile getting it checked out, because it could be a social problem or a medical problem. Now, snoring tends to generate from the back of the palate, back of the nose, or back of the tongue. However, sometimes some snoring can be related to stopping breathing or pauses in your breathing, and this is called obstructive sleep apnea. Now, obstructive sleep apnea can disturb sleep, cause the tiredness in the day, and even have other cardiovascular and heart problems like hypertension. A sleep test will determine whether there is any breathing issues with your snoring. Then we can determine how best to minimize that and make life a lot happier for you at night time.